First, LCD 3D printers can also deliver great printing quality, but before the light reacts with resin, the light has to travel through the LCD panel. The LCD panel is consisting of two layers of glasses with the liquid crystal in between, so the light may be diffused, blurred, and shadowed. But for DLP printers, you don't need to worry about this. The light directly projects on the solidification plane of resin, so the distortion and diffusion are minimized after in-house correction and focal alignment. Thus the printed objects come out with sharper corners and greater details. Secondly, it's the light uniformity. LCD printers' light uniformity is usually around 70% to 80%, but that of DLP printers is much higher, over 90%. Therefore, DLP printers deliver high-dimensional printing accuracy. Third, LCD 3D printers usually use higher power LEDs which will generate heat and damage the LCD screen after long-term use, so you usually need to replace it. And the heat may also affect the light density and the printing results. But DLP printers use a projector instead of an LCD screen. It is highly efficient and has very low power consumption, so you don't need to replace the screen anymore.